In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the transparency of an image in your presentations using a straightforward approach. Whether you're looking to make your images blend more seamlessly into the background or add a unique visual effect, understanding how to adjust transparency can truly elevate your slides. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to make sure that your image is already inserted into the slide where you want it to appear. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry, it's a simple process. All you need to do is go to the top menu and click on Insert. From there, hover over Image and select the source of your image. This could be from your computer, Google Drive, or even a URL if you're pulling it from the web. Once you've selected your image, it will appear on your slide, ready for the next steps. Once the image is on your slide, the next thing you need to do is select it. Simply click on the image once to ensure it's highlighted and ready for formatting. You'll know you're good to go when you see a border around the image. With the image selected, the next step is to open the formatting options. To do this, navigate to the top menu once again, this time clicking on Format. Then select Format Options from the drop-down menu. If you prefer shortcuts or alternatives, you can also right-click directly on the image and choose Format Options from the pop-up menu that appears. Once you've opened the Format options, take a look at the sidebar that appears on the right side of your screen. What you're looking for here is the Adjustments section, so go ahead and click on it to expand the options available to you. Within the Adjustments section, you'll see a slider labeled Transparency. Sometimes it might be referred to as Opacity, depending on the platform you're using. This slider is your key tool for adjusting how see-through your image appears. To increase transparency, simply slide it to the right. This will make your image more see-through, allowing the background of your slide to show through the image more prominently. Take your time here, experimenting with different levels of transparency until you achieve the effect you're looking for. And just like that, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can click outside of the sidebar to finalize your changes. If you prefer, you can also close the sidebar entirely. And there you have it. Your image now has the desired level of transparency applied, adding that professional touch to your presentation. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Adjusting image transparency is a fantastic way to enhance your slides, making them not only more visually appealing, but also ensuring that your important content stands out as it should. Happy presenting!